Motivation is a tricky thing, isn't it? Most people think that it's a permanent fix, that it's something that should always be constant. But the truth is, nothing is permanent. And you have to learn to perform without motivation, without purpose, without a lot of things. That's where people fail. But here's the thing. You have to learn to train your mind well beyond motivation. If you have motivation, that's great. It's like a little spark that can ignite the fire. But motivation isn't everything. You have to learn to exist without it. You have to learn to be your best self even when you're feeling your least motivated. And that's where discipline comes in. Jacob said it best. Discipline eats motivation for breakfast. But discipline isn't everything either. Without a clear headspace, there's no discipline. You can have all the discipline in the world, but if your brain is crowded and cluttered, it's not going to work. That's why it's important to do the self-work. Reflect on yourself as an individual. Consider therapy or mental zones. Whatever it takes to organize your mind and compartmentalize everything in a nice, organized way. It's like having a nice, organized garage. You know where everything is. You can find everything you need without any trouble. And that's where consistency comes in. You may have discipline sometimes, but you need to have consistency all the time. And that requires an organized mind. If your life isn't organized, if everything around you is chaotic, it only takes one little piece of outside interference to throw your whole mind off balance. So, what do you think most people get wrong about motivation? They think it's a permanent fix. They think it's something that should always be constant. But the truth is, nothing is permanent. And that's okay. You have to learn to perform without motivation. But with discipline, consistency, and a clear headspace, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, don't give up. Keep pushing yourself. And always remember, nothing is permanent, but with the right mindset, anything is possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without